this year I went down to Kissimmee, Florida with blown motor. We met up with Roadman and Toxic. Roadman gave me one of his wiring relay kits. I asked him, Mark, what do I owe you? He said nothing. Just promise me you'll make a video to show how easy they are to put in. So Mark, this is for you. Okay, the first thing you got to do here, take the negative cable off. Actually, I could pull the whole battery out, which I may do anyway because this battery was just in here for test firing up purposes. Now we got to go down along here, pull off some tape, and expose some wires. Alright, the next part of this operation is your wiring harness. I took the battery out just because it's easier. Now your car will not have this. This is something of my own configuration here for my pusher fan. The harness you're going after is this harness right here. Alright, now I got some wires exposed right here. Now what Mark wants you to do is cut into the black for your ground. Well, I got this ground right here, and the battery cable is right on there. Mark gives you a whole bag of connectors here, so making a ground should be pretty simple to do. Get a good crimp on it. Alright, you want to make a loop connector. That's what I'm doing to go to that ground I just talked about, but you can cut it into the line too, whatever way you want to do it. I'm going to crimp this, shrink wrap it, and we'll move on to the next step. Now for this kind of crimp, I'm going to use these crimpers here instead of the ones I use for the terminal block, because I think I can get a better crimp on this type of connector, which is right there. Okay, and like so, got a nice crimp, good to go. Alright, I'm going to use the original mounting hole from my existing relay for my pusher. So, I've been playing around digging through scrap in a garage, and I made up this bracket here that'll fit right in it. Now you may want to just drill some holes and mount the bracket however you want to mount it. I'm the type of guy, I don't like drilling any more holes than are already there, so I work around that and make things fit. We'll get some things mounted up and go to the next step. Alright, so the first wire we cut here, this is the red coming from the firewall. This is the red going to the headlights. This is the red on the kit. This will go here. And this is the red with the black shrink wrap tracer on it that Mark made, and that's going to go there. Alright, now I'll be the first one to admit I've got this kind of tucked away down here because of where I wanted to mount mine. You might want to mount yours maybe up here a little more. It'd be a little easier to do your crimps and your shrink wrap, but aggravation is big's life, so on we go. Alright, now I got the violet wire cut, and it's the same thing, just the next color. If I can grab these out of here. There's one violet with the tracer, and there's the other violet right there. Second verse, same as the first. Alright, so I'm making the ground right here. It's right to the battery cable. As you can see pretty easy, I've used this spot before, but on we go. If I can juggle a camera and this bolt at the same time, we're going to find out. Old Biggs has still got a little of it here. Not much, but a little. So anyway, that goes there. The other terminal the white terminal is going to go right over there, and I'll get a shot of that once I get that far. Alright, so anyway, this is the white wire here, and that's going to go to your constant hot right there. So basically, you'll have a constant hot and a switched hot. I can't explain it any more than that, really. Alright, I'm getting the battery back in. Thought we'd do a little testing before we button all this up here. So we'll get this going. We'll make it a little dark in here. And that way we'll maybe see a little better on what we got here. You ready? Here we go. Lights on the garage wall. Right. Left. This car's got one of them funny buttons on the floor to those uneducated out there. There's the brights. I think we're looking pretty good. What do you think? Alright, alright. I just got everything taped up, bracketed up. There's the bracket I made right there. Everything's taped up. I may get some more of this tubing. I don't know what you call that stuff, but I got a ton of it out in the yard. I'll probably go steal a piece off a junker Nissan or something and cover that up even more. But everything works. We'll put the battery back in her and we'll give her one more go. Alright, that's it for this project. Here we are, kind of standing in the dark, but Mark, this is for you, buddy. I hope you get the chance to see this real soon. Feel better. Get home. We're all waiting to hear from you. If you're thinking about doing this project, it's easy. If Biz can do it, you can do it. Peace out.